Om Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapaharine. Dear friends, I'm extremely happy to know that Sigma Group of Institutes have organized an international online symposium entitled Arise Awake on 12 January 2021 today. Swami Vivekananda is a perennial source of inspiration for the youth. And that is why his birthday, 12 January, is being celebrated as National Youth Day. In 1985, during the International Youth Year, the government of India set up a committee to find out who could be a role model for the youth of India. And the committee report suggested that the message delivered by Swami Vivekananda is very relevant for the modern youth. And his birthday, that is 12 January, should be celebrated as National Youth Day. So since 1985, we have been celebrating every year the birthday of Swami Vivekananda as National Youth Day. And we have been discussing about the relevance of the message of Swami Vivekananda for the modern youth. At present, what do we find? The youth are under tension and they have lost peace of mind. They are afraid. They are feeling insecure because of so many reasons. One of them being the coronavirus pandemic that has come, and arising out of that, the insecurity related to economic reasons, the fear of losing a job, the fear of not getting a job, and also the issues related to health. With that tension, the immunity is getting lower, and that becomes more difficult under these circumstances to deal with the issues. So what our modern youth at present want is mental strength. And Swami Vivekananda always emphasized, the first thing that he emphasized was mental strength. And also the physical strength. Strength, 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 he said. Strength is life. Strength is expansion. Strength is everything. And weakness is death. Strength is life. Weakness is death. That was his message for the youth. Our young men have to become strong. That is why he went to the extent of saying that you will be nearer to heaven through football rather than you will be nearer to heaven through football rather than by the study of Gita. That does not mean that we should not read Gita. A student came and said that now we have left reading Gita and we have started playing football and playing cricket and all that. No, he did not mean that. We have to read the whole sentence. Swami Vivekananda said, you will be nearer to heaven through football rather than by the study of Gita, because by playing football or any other game, your muscles will become stronger, and your body is strong, then you will be able to understand the message of Gita better. So we have to read the message of Gita also. We have to read our ancient scriptures also. We have to take in all the ennobling ideas from everywhere that we can get. At the same time, more importance is to be given for physical and mental strength. And For getting this mental strength, the books of Swami Vivekananda can be a great source of inspiration. Rabindranath Tagore told French savant Romarola, a Nobel Prize winner, he said, if you want to know India, study Vivekananda. In him, everything is positive, nothing negative. And when Romarola read the books of Swami Vivekananda, he was so much inspired. He got so much strong. He felt so much strong mentally that later on he wrote a biography on Romarola. Romarola wrote a biography on Swami Vivekananda. And there he says, I cannot touch these sayings of his, scattered as they are through the pages at a 30th distance, without receiving a thrill through my body like an electric shock. This is the word he uses, electric shock. If you read the books of Swami Vivekananda, you feel that electric shock. So today, when we are celebrating Swami Vivekananda's birthday, the National Youth Day, I would urge upon all the youths to read the books of Swami Vivekananda and think, ponder about it. At least one message, if you can translate in your life will be blessed. And remember Swami Vivekananda's one sentence, which will always inspire you: arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached.